see what that Omni says. That's the lady that Doug doesn't really like. She talks too loud. I guess we're gonna go now. It's been really fun though. Wolfgang Pucks 560. I'm just walking. I don't know where I'm going.
Act like you're going to the restroom?
No. I'm not going to act like that. This way?
Yeah, trying to go?
Leaving.
Okay, go to the postage stand, push your button, maybe go down.
Right here?
No, the postage stand shows.
Yeah, I'll tell him. You can stay right there.
Might be elevated for you.
Oh, I don't have to go. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Coming to YouTube near you.
It was good. Would you like? I gotta go.
Those what? I'm not supposed to. Security, handle it.
It was an 8. Let's go.
Me have a hello. Omni's not doing. There it goes. It's waking up a little bit.
Well, 560 feet going down pretty fast. And I don't know how many stories they call that, but it's more than 24 because it's higher than our hotel room.
I think it's like 20 feet to a story. Or
Well,
10 feet
they
to a
can just
story.
tell us how many stories it is, and we don't have to remember
It's
all
10
of
feet to a story.
Tivoli. What's Tivoli?
I don't know.
What?
It's the lobby. That's what the computer says. Let's go. Come on. This way, please.